Hi guys, welcome to the Bio to CS YouTube channel. In today's video, we diving into a Java code snippet that generates secure passwords. This code is designed to ensure that the passwords it creates are both robust and diverse, meeting various security requirements. Let's break down how it works. The code begins by importing two essential classes, random for generating random numbers and scanner for reading user input. It's encapsulated in a class named passwordgen, which includes the core methods for password creation. The heart of the program is the password_generator method. This method takes 5 parameters, strings representing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, special characters, and numbers, as well as an integer indicating the desired password length. The method starts by initializing a random object and a string builder to build the password. It then ensures that the password will contain at least 2 characters from each character category by calling the generateCharacter method multiple times. This is crucial for creating a password that includes a good mix of different character types, which enhances security. After appending the required characters, the method continues to add random characters from any of the provided categories until the password reaches the specified length. The generateCharacter method is used to generate a string of random characters from a given set. It accepts a string of possible characters, a length indicating how many characters to generate, and a random object for random selection. Inside this method, a string builder is used to construct the output string. A loop iterates to pick random characters from the input string, ensuring that the generated characters are truly random and varied. In the main method, which serves as the entry point of the program, the user is prompted to enter the desired length for the password. The program checks if the length is at least 8 characters. If the length is valid, the password_generator method is called to create the password, which is then displayed. Additionally, the main method includes a basic shuffling mechanism intended to further randomize the password. It swaps characters in a specific pattern to enhance the password's unpredictability. Overall, this Java code snippet is a comprehensive approach to generating secure passwords. It combines multiple character types to ensure password strength and incorporates randomization and shuffling to improve security. This method ensures that the resulting password is not only complex but also meets the necessary length requirements. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on programming and computer science.